All of us have taken medicines at some point in our lives. Pharmaceuticals have become essential to our lives and lifestyle. They are virtually indispensable in a modern society. Indeed, global consumption of pharmaceuticals is projected to reach $1 trillion in 2013. In Malaysia, the Ministry of Health spends billions of ringgit on medicines every year. Given the scale and scope of pharmaceutical consumption, how do we ensure that products sold in the market are of quality, are efficacious, are safe? And how do we ensure that services to the public are appropriate, effective, and professional? This is where we come in, the Pharmaceutical Services Division of the Ministry of Health. The Pharmaceutical Services Division is responsible for the planning, implementation, and monitoring of pharmacy services in Malaysia. The number of registered pharmacists has grown in tandem with a growing population. More importantly, the ratio of pharmacists per population has improved since 2006. Indeed, the World Health Organization has set a target ratio of 1 to 2,000, while the Ministry of Health expects to achieve the ratio of 1 to 1,400 by 2020 as a developed nation. Guiding us in this role is the National Medicines Policy, which came into effect at the end of 2006. Today, the National Medicines Policy has 5 components, with the objectives to improve the health of the people through promoting equitable access to essential medicines, promoting rational use of safe, effective, and affordable essential medicines of good quality. To ensure that the objectives of the National Medicines Policy are achieved, the Pharmaceutical Services Division undertakes planning and implementation of policies related to pharmacy development, which include formulary and logistics management, medicine pricing, and professional career pathway. We are mandated to regulate activities that fall under several legislations governing pharmaceuticals. Here, we regulate the import, manufacture, supply, sale, management and use of not only pharmaceuticals, but also cosmetics and healthcare products. To do this, we monitor and inspect all premises that sell such products on a regular basis. We also coordinate and monitor the screening of imported products and controlled substances at Malaysia's entry points. This is done by issuance of licenses, permits, and authorizations on the sale, use, import, and export of a range of products and controlled substances. Should any illegal products be found, they would be removed and subsequently offenders would be prosecuted. We also monitor medicine advertisements in order to ensure that they conform to the provisions of the Act. The proper provision of pharmaceuticals to patients who need them depends on the level of professional services at the facilities. We have introduced a range of value-added services for patients and the general public. To ensure that the public uses medication judiciously and rationally, the Pharmaceutical Services Division has the responsibility to create awareness and provide education to them. The Know Your Medicine campaign was introduced in 2006, and since then, the activities have been intensified. Another vital role the Pharmaceutical Services Division plays is to ensure that therapeutic substances approved for the local market are safe, effective, and of quality, and also to ensure that cosmetic products approved are safe and of quality. To monitor products marketed in Malaysia, we conduct regular inspections and also analysis of product samples. The Pharmaceutical Services Division and the Ministry of Health have taken major strides over the past years and decades to improve the provision of safe, quality, and effective pharmaceuticals to the general public. But our task is never done. We continue to look for new and better ways to fulfill our role and meet our goals. Many challenges lie on the road ahead. As always, we will endeavor and prevail.